Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Canva poster. First, open Canva and navigate to the Create a Design button. From there, you can easily select the poster option, which provides a canvas typically measuring 18 by 24 inches. You can then browse through thousands of professional templates or begin with a blank slate, allowing for complete creative freedom. Think about your poster's goal and who will see it. Now, let's dive into designing. Canva offers a vast array of tools to personalize your poster. You can easily change text, experiment with hundreds of fonts, and select colors that match your brand or message. Drag and drop various elements such as shapes, icons, and high-quality photos from Canva's extensive library. Remember to arrange your content so the most crucial information stands out clearly to your audience. Once your initial design is complete, it's time to refine and enhance it. Utilize Canva's alignment guides to ensure all your elements are perfectly spaced and organized, creating a professional appearance. Experiment with image filters and effects to give your photos a consistent and polished feel. Finally, always take a moment to carefully proofread all the text on your poster to catch any spelling or grammatical errors before finalizing. Congratulations, your poster is ready. The final step is saving and sharing your masterpiece. Canva allows you to download your poster in several convenient formats, including high-resolution PDF for printing or JPG for web use. You can also share it directly to social media platforms or send it via email with just a few clicks. For physical copies, consider printing at home or using a professional printing service for the best quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.